Restoring cars is more than just repairs. It's a revival of history and craftsmanship, breathing life into legends. Finding the right car is the first step, whether a rare barn find or a damaged exotic supercar waiting for revival. Rarity and value can make restoration not just a passion, but a smart investment, making each project worthwhile and exciting. Disassembly begins the journey. Every vehicle is stripped and assessed for structural damage, rust, and vital parts needing replacement. Bodywork demands immense precision, requiring the stripping of old paint, rust repair, and flawless repainting to match original beauty. Restoring an engine involves complexity, where upgrades enhance performance while retaining the originality that makes classic cars unique. Transforming the interior means reupholstering seats with luxurious materials, ensuring each detail reflects the car's rich heritage and refinement. The debate between originality and modern upgrades sparks passion, as some choose tradition while others embrace modern performance in their restorations. Witnessing a car roar back to life after a full restoration is a euphoric moment, symbolizing countless hours of dedicated work. Car restoration isn't merely mechanical. It's an art form that connects enthusiasts to automotive history, igniting their deepest passions.